Not long ago, the world was shocked by a surprising revelation. Scientists suddenly discovered a huge structure in space that sends us many messages. What does this awesome design always look like, and what does it tell us? Could this be where we've been waiting to discover the world's secrets? Let's explore this mysterious revelation and its implications for our understanding of the world. In space science, amazing discoveries have been made, each of which determines the location of the next one. Based on the information coming from the Great Hall, many experts believe that we are in good hands. We have to wonder who is speaking, because these messages go back to a great structure whose origin remains a mystery. It's a quick radio series that you need to understand these confusing messages. These powerful bursts of radio waves, lasting only a few milliseconds, play an important role in our continued search for light. In 2007, a very fast radio explosion was discovered, changing the way we interpret energy in the universe. Interestingly, these explosions are not isolated. In turn, each person offers new areas of knowledge and a new application. We don't really know the origin of the fast radio bursts, although they are important, which adds to the mystery. Suspicions are mounting, suggesting that it may have been caused by extreme events such as exploding neutron stars or the stabilization of dark matter. The net energy released in these short minutes is equal to the energy released by the sun in nearly a day. In addition, their dispersion velocity, which indicates the long distances they travel, provides important information about the intergalactic environment. The eventual binding of some fast radio waves to pure worlds paves the way for their use as a tool to plan global chemical emissions. So why is fast radio decay so important to our understanding? First, all galaxies are very bright and short-lived with bright radio waves. However, their mysterious beginnings are the most surprising to us. We are still confused about the origin or cause, with ideas ranging from natural disasters to heavenly gifts. Fast radio waves are an important part of decoding antenna messages that transmit data from far fields. By studying these signals, astronomers learn, as far as we know, about their source and moving platforms. The bursts of high-speed radio have given the world a new dimension, revealing its power and mystery. It shows how much space has yet to be discovered. The revelation of this great creation was truly astonishing. It all started with a group of scientists using advanced telescopes to explore space. The observed resonator signals are caused by the gravitational pull of space in the galactic region. This large, elegant building quickly became a place to visit around the world. The purpose of collaborative projects is to understand what it is and what it says. What is the structure of this? What is the matter telling us? And what is the meaning of the messages? Theories and hypotheses interacted with the scientific community. As the investigation continued, it became clear that these symptoms were not common. It's a fast radio even in high winds. Although the fast radio bursts are short and dangerous, these emissions represent a return to variability that allows scientists to pinpoint their source with great precision. Possible reports of radio frequency breakdowns may raise doubts, although they may seem different. According to some scientists, it's like Morse code in space due to the violent collision of massive objects in the sky or negative phenomena in neutron stars or black holes. These signals may occur in complex universes outside our galaxy. Each case proves to be intriguing and reveals a different aspect of the world's mysteries. While these messages may not yet appear to be true, one thing is certain. This revelation marks another milestone in our broader research. As a result of ongoing research, the scientific community and the general public continue to be excited and curious. What revelations will be revealed after this amazing creation in space? Only time and our search for information will reveal the answers. In many years, we've experienced different huge designs in space that have both astonished and astounded us, giving priceless bits of knowledge into the universe's components and laying the preparation for ongoing leap forwards. While revelations like the incomparable attractor and the Sloan Incredible Wall have fascinated us with their mysterious properties, this recently discovered structure stands apart for its dynamic way of behaving. Not at all like its ancestors, which generally stay quiet, this design effectively produces signals, especially quick radio explodes. This dynamic commitment recognizes it from other monstrous designs. Our most recent find demonstrates the Eridana supervoid's presence through active signaling. despite the fact that the void's strange absence of galaxies has made it a cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. It's like comparing a boring room to a room full of Morse code. In addition, changing the perception of these signals from a source adds a layer of interest independent of the established aspects of visual behavior in simulation designs. Importantly, while previous demonstrations were limited to a random search for Goliath symbols and problem holes in space, this new process has found a symbol that sends the right message. An open environment has many implications for broadening the definition of the world and its inner workings. The opening of this great structure will produce many messages that are very unique and separate from the previous world. The power and frequency of these fast radio bursts are amazing and surprising to scientists, representing major energy changes beyond our previous understanding. For starters, the results are different. Some say that these radio bursts are caused by negative planetary conditions, while others say that they are signals from extraterrestrial high-level development. Although the latter is more speculative, it stimulates the creative mind and its motivation. Looking to the future, there is a lot of potential for research and development that will come out of this discovery. Scientists and astronomers around the world are planning special observations, and space agencies may consider sending missions to collect more data or send research to the source. The experience gathered from these missions can solve fundamental questions about the position of the planet, the structure of the system, and the possibility of the presence of extraterrestrial life. Demonstrating these high-speed radio waves could pave the way for new innovations and breakthrough systems in the future. The development of advanced signal processing equipment and telescopes may have resulted from the need to monitor and analyze these explosions. In addition, it emphasizes the importance of international cooperation in space exploration and research. In addition, these fast radio waves could change our way of life on Earth. A traditional focus of our search for extraterrestrial intelligence is the search for signs of intelligent life in the sky. However, the discovery of this structure with its fast and powerful radio waves reveals another aspect of this goal. Although the source of the symbols is unknown, it cannot be ruled out that they originated from the advanced world. It renews the legitimate interest and provides another target for the intelligence work from the country and reevaluates our hunting methods. This discovery challenges us to think about our place in the world beyond the technical aspects. Assuming these signs are true from an intelligent source, they indicate that we are living in harmony with the many forms of life that have been carried on the planet. This knowledge is important for explaining life, knowledge, and our place in the world, raising questions for thinking about these external developments and their implications for us. It's still amazing to see, even though these signs are ultimately natural phenomena. It shows how complex and dynamic the world is, and emphasizes that there are still many overlooked aspects that are surprising. It highlights the thought that the universe is a dynamic, consistently changing domain loaded up with ponders past our ongoing understanding. The incomparable attractor, a gravitational irregularity found roughly 220 million light-years from Earth, epitomizes the rousing and puzzling nature of gigantic designs in space. Due to its location within the zone of avoidance, which is obscured by the dust and stars of the Milky Way, much about the Great Attractor remains a mystery in spite of its enormous gravitational influence. Endeavors to concentrate on the incomparable attractor have used different observational strategies, uncovering it to be a convergence of cosmic system groups bound together by gravity. Its gravitational oddity influences the speeds of systems in its area, alluding to its colossal mass and possibly filling in as a focal center point inside a bigger supercluster complex. The fundamental structure of the universe, the operation of dark matter, and the forces that shaped the evolution of the universe can all be understood with a better understanding of energy. An example of the mysteries waiting to be discovered in the depths of the universe, thanks to research and expanding our knowledge of the universe, such as the recently discovered large structure that offers the thousands of messages. Another inspiring example of global grandeur is Sloan's Great Wall. This epic structure, revealed by the Sloan Computerized Sky Review, spans 138 billion light-years and represents what could be the largest evolution of the universe ever seen. Arranged in a large disciplinary structure, Sloan's impressive wall displays the important pieces of knowledge that make up the universe. In contrast to their random distribution, galaxies frequently form superclusters and clusters, which can further coalesce into enormous structures like filaments and walls. This hierarchical structure can be seen in the Sloan Great Wall, where gravity holds galaxies together to form a thin, elongated structure. Its existence suggests that early variations in the distribution of matter led to the formation of such enormous structures over billions of years, which provides crucial clues about the universe's evolution. Additionally, the mysterious realm of dark matter, an elusive substance that is thought to account for a significant portion of the universe's mass, can be better understood by studying the Sloan Great Wall. The significance of dark matter's gravitational influence in shaping cosmic structures like the Great Wall underscores its significance for our comprehension of the underlying mechanisms of the universe. All in all, Sloan's impressive wall shows the vastness and complexity of the universe, enhancing our understanding of the great designs and forces that shape them. At the end of our research, the opening of this great space structure and its immediate messages will mark another part of our great journey. From fast radios to crazy designs, the world is changing rapidly. Pursuing stories propels us forward and explores the wonderful and confusing nature of life. What new discoveries will shape our future knowledge? One thing is certain. The universe continues to amaze us and fascinate us with its endless mysteries.